Now let us talk about the nasal septum, that is nothing but the medial wall of the nose. So the medial wall of the nose from above downwards, it will be formed by two important bones and two important cartilages. See, this is one of the spotter. Usually what we do, we put a pin here and we ask you identify the pin structure and mention the bones which are forming or the structures which are forming this. So this is how we ask the question. Okay, so now if you just see here, so now I have rubbed the external nose, I have just written the medial wall here. So this is the nasal septum, so which is formed by two bones. So as I said, so the two important bones which are forming it are, one is the perpendicular plate of ethmoid, Okay, so second one is called vomer. So these are the two important bones which form the nasal septum. Now let us come to the two important cartilages which form the nasal septum. They are one, septum, right? So hence septal cartilage, and then septal process of lower nasal cartilage. Septal process of lower nasal cartilage, okay, or inferior nasal cartilage. So these are the structures which form the nasal septum. So two important bones and then two important cartilages. In addition to this, there is minor contribution from the surrounding bones. So now let us start with the four important structures. So first one is a quadrangular plate of bone. Now I am going to divide here only. So now this is the quadrangular plate of bone. So what you are seeing here, that I will write it in different colors if you observe. So this is your perpendicular plate of ethmoid, because the roof of the nasal cavity, it is formed by the ethmoid bone. So that will be formed by cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone. This roof will be porous, so that the olfactory nerve rootlets which are coming from this nasal cavity, so which are carrying the nerve, the sensation of smell, they will pass into the cranial cavity. Okay.